Are you looking to captivate your customers with your ideas with the most popular messaging channel in the world? Do you know you can quickly broadcast messages to your customers using WhatsApp Business? What if you could get a platform that automatically broadcasts to customers using WhatsApp Business API? This is WATI, the ultimate WhatsApp management tool for your business. WATI enables you to broadcast customized template messages to your targeted customers, track agents' performance, allow team collaboration on WhatsApp, and manage your customers' contacts. With WATI, you can get a customizable all-in-one inbox where you can collaborate with your team, respond to messages quickly and efficiently, and easily measure your KPIs. The broadcast function is one of the most powerful features of WhatsApp Business Solutions. Isn't it exciting to start a whole new way for marketing and customer support? In the contact page, you can manage your client's contact in an easy way and hassle-free manner. For instance, you can send personalized and targeted messages to any group of audience. Using WATI, you can easily upload template messages for WhatsApp's approval in a few clicks and design the content. The amazing part is that you get to see the dashboard, which shows a holistic view on the KPIs at a glance. Don't wait! Engaging with your audience has never been easier. Reach out to WATI, powered by Claire.ai, an official WhatsApp business solution provider today.